Hey y'all, it's Scott over here at High Power Realty, showing you 45 Green Ave over here in Aberdeen. This home was fully rebuilt in early 2019. Everything, the roof, the siding, that stone, exterior, you see the porch, everything. So let's go take a look. Okay, here's the rear. Got a nice brand new shed. It does have electricity inside. Large yard, plenty of parking. And there's another shed over here attached to the house. We're gonna walk the entire house in one shot. So you got a beautiful living room with these laminate floors, professionally painted. Kitchen, nice dark cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You take a look, just like brand new. Over here is laundry. As you see, washer and dryer equipped. And let's head through this hallway and see this gorgeous bathroom. Tile floor, tile shower, everything gleaming, brand new and clean. Here's the master. Here's a good sized room. And with a view into the yard. And there's the other bedroom, which is also a good size. So two good sized bedrooms, one full bath. Good sized lot, about 1/5 of an acre. Two exterior storage areas. So come take a look today, Sunday, 11 to 2. Thanks a lot. Bye.